Hey y'all, today we're going to be making some spicy steakhouse burgers. We're going to start by making a binder for the burgers, which helps them stick together. So you'll chop up some bread first, add milk, and then mix it all together into a nice paste. Then add salt and pepper. Finally dice up the garlic. I mean finally. Super fine. Crack an egg. Now chop up some green onions. You want to make sure you stop right as you get towards the white. Now you're going to add your Worcestershire and the hot sauce, right? This is a wonderful hot sauce, Valentina. I love it. Adds a nice flavor to everything you can put it on. Once you got everything in the bowl, give it a good mix. I'm going to add some bacon as well for a bit of added flavor. Now that it's all mixed together, add the beef. Mix it up again. And the milk and that whole is going to bind it together really nice. Sometimes you get burgers that if you don't add a little bit of binder in there, it will just kind of fall apart on the grill. Some folks like that. We're just not going to do it now. You can see all that beautiful fat coming in from the bacon. This burger is going to be delicious. You might have heard that I was down with the blues, but I can't give you more reason news. I'm on the road. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The bad days are gone, and now I'm on the road. Yes, I am. Now we've got our burgers out here. A little trick that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your thumb and depress it down into each one of the patties. Now this is important because what it'll prevent from happening is the burgers from puffing up in the middle. Some folks put salt in with the mix. Now that can draw some of the moisture out. So I told you about a neat little trick that you can do with the Golden's cast iron cooker. If you've ever been to a Waffle House or somewhere where they use a cast iron griddle, you know what I'm about to do. So you get your metal pan, put it over, throw a little bit of water down, and let that bad boy steam in. Now that's going to melt that cheese beautifully. There. Placement is key in situations as such.